If you have eggs and ripe plantains at home, you can make delicious breakfast for your family. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a mouth-watering breakfast this season for your family. I have here some ripe plantains which I've already washed and they started peeling. After peeling the plantains, I'll now cut them in a big round shape. You can use chopping board for this to avoid cut. When I'm done cutting the plantains, I'll sprinkle little salt on it, mix and then fry them. Fried plantains ready. We'll now go to the next stage. Here I have sprinkled little oil from the fried plantain into another pot. I just added the spring onions and the purple onions to it, fry for a bit, and then add pepper. After frying the onions and pepper for a bit, I'll now add some slice or chopped tatashe and cut a hot dog or sausage, but you can skip this. You can fry this without any of this, but if you have chicken also, you can use it, or even beef or fish. I then season it with some curry powder, just a little amount of that, thyme, and the cinnamon powder. I will also add one seasoning cube. Then start to mix everything together. I'll cover and allow to cook or fry for a few minutes. Of frying, I'll then stir again and add remaining vegetables we are using for this frying. I have here yellow and green bell peppers, but note that you can also fry this with just the onions, the tatashi, and the tomatoes. That is, if you cannot get these bell peppers, you don't have to worry about it. After frying this for about a minute, everything is okay and very tasty. Next, I will take it out from the pan and add into a plate and keep it to cool down while we go to the next stage. While the sauce is cooling down, we'll now crack our eggs into another bowl and mix it. After the sauce has cooled down, we mix it with the egg. I put mine in the fridge for quick cooling. I will now mix the sauce and the egg together very well for the second to the final stage. Mixture is ready and our fried plantains are cool enough, so let's get to the next stage and the final no, semi to the final stage. Here I've just brushed some oil into the pan and then poured in the egg mixture. I'm just spreading it so that the everything, the sausage, the vegetable will get to the to every end. And then it is time to place in our plantains round it. Don't see this as a whole lot of work because it is worth it. At the end, your family will be happy and will even be asking for this every day. The eggs, you can cover and cook it that way, or you can still do this and add more vegetables just to beautify it on top of it. I have some mixed vegetables and onions here, so I just place it on the egg and then cover and cook in a very low heat, and this will cook for about 10-15 minutes until the egg is almost done. Because I have some leftover spring onions, I decided to place it on top of it also. It also added beautiful or sweet flavor or taste to this. I don't know what to call it. At the end, we have a sumptuous mouth-watering plantain and egg pizza, as it is normally called, or plantain frittatas. Treasures, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you're going to give this a try. I hope you have also given the video a thumbs up and you're also going to share it to your friends and families. After adding the spring onions, I just covered it for a few minutes to add its flavor, and then our breakfast is ready. You can also bake this in the oven if you prefer. Just after the mixture, you pour it into your baking pan instead of frying pot or pan, and you will have your frittata.